Hello everyone, this is Dr. Huma Ibrar. I wish you all a good day. So those who are preparing for Prometric exam or other license exam and are confused about preparation, watch this video till end and I am sure all your queries will be solved. Further, you can ask any question in comment box. You are already on a right pathway, so subscribe this channel and don't forget to click the bell icon for the latest updates. Many clients have a common question and that is about important file. Which file is more important among all this material? Well, I can guide you accordingly to the country and which file is more important for which country's license. However, clients often ask whether clearing the exam is guaranteed by having these files. I assure you all that Prometric exam is completely conceptual, and every time I guide my clients and my YouTube family to make sure to clear their concepts because 80 to 85% of the exam is scenario based, which are clinical examination questions. So, relying on one or two files to take the exam will not guarantee 100% clearance. So take your time and prepare properly so that you can clear the exam on first attempt and save your money. I usually guide my clients about important files regarding specific authority. However, along with this, I always guide my clients that if you have time, please practice as many MCQs as you can. Because the more you practice solving scenarios, the more chances you will have to clear your exam. So try to understand that this exam is not like a graduation or board exam that can be passed through past papers. No one can assure you that your exam will be cleared with just one file, and if someone does, they are misleading you. Alright, there are some students who email me and say that they only have 15 days or 1 month of time, so how can they clear the exam? For them, I would like to suggest the pocket book, which is a short and precise book that can help you cover almost 90% of the syllabus easily. It is also an easy to understand book and with the help of this book, almost 400 of my clients have cleared their exam in first attempt of Middle East. After the pocket book, clients are also given an MCQ bank so that they can practice MCQs. I hope so you all would have understand all the queries. If you are satisfied with this information, kindly click the like button and share this video among your fellows. Thank you for watching this video. Stay connected for next video.